Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a fantastic set of makeup brushes, you're gonna love this one from BEAKEY.
This is such a high quality set. It comes with 10 different brushes that can be used for a wide variety of makeup application. You get 5 kabuki brushes and 5 precise makeup brushes that are so great for doing your eyeshadow, doing crease, and as well as your eyebrows. And then it also comes with 2 of the makeup sponges. I love that they give you this really great detailed pamphlet that shows you what each brush is and what it's for. And the bristles on these are just so soft and high quality. I really appreciated being able to do my makeup with everything all matching, and it all worked so well. I have a habit of just collecting a bunch of different brushes, but I am so happy with these. It really has made my routine go so much smoother. I really appreciate how high qualities these are, and I think they would make a really great gift for someone who's really into makeup, or just renew your brushes and get this set for yourself. You will literally not regret it. I love how easy they are, and they are so beautiful, all set up together. I think they are absolutely perfect.
I absolutely love my makeup routine now that I have these amazing brushes. I think everyone should get a set, and that's my point of view.